Welcome to Learning is Fun by MGB, and hello, this is MGB. In my last video, I had shown you the use of autofill feature in Excel, how to use it, and what is the use of it. In continuation with that, in my today's video, I'll be showing you the different options that autofill has in Excel, okay, and how to use them and what are their effects. Students, you had learned by now that what is autofill, how to work with autofill. So I'll just do a basic recap of that. Now, as you know that the use of autofill is filling up some range of cells automatically with some data series rather than typing those data. Okay. So for example, I've taken this two number. I have typed 5 and 10 in two corresponding cells A1 and A2, and then as usual I'll select both the cell, and then I will go here to the lower right corner and I'll place the mouse over it and I will get a black plus sign, and when I will drag it down I will get the corresponding multiples of 5. Okay, the next multiples of 5, and that will get filled up in the corresponding cell. So I will just drag it down, suppose till 40. Okay, so these are the rest of the multiples till 40 got filled up in the next corresponding cells automatically. Okay, so this is the basic autofill. Okay, how to use it. Now there are various autofill options available in Excel. Let's see the use of those options. So here you have seen here I've given two numbers 6 and 12. Okay, I have changed the formatting of the cell. I've given the background color as yellow. Okay, and I have also applied all borders to the cell. Okay, now I will fill the next few cells with the mm, next multiples of 6. So let me drag it down using the fill handle. Now you can see here the small icon is coming here near the lower right corner. Okay, near the fill handle, and when you click on this drop down arrow, okay, you will get these options, autofill option that are available in Excel. Okay, so you can see fill series, fill formatting only, and fill without formatting, and flash fill, and copy cell. So I will choose the option here, fill without formatting. So see what happened. The corresponding cells got filled up with the next multiples of 6. Okay, from 18 onwards, 18 to 48. But whatever cell formatting I had given, okay, the background color of the cell, the font color was red. Okay, that was not applied here in the next corresponding cells. Okay, where I've used the autofill. Why? Because I have chosen the option fill without formatting. Now coming to the next part. Again I will drag it over here. Now again I will go to this icon and I'll click on the drop down arrow, and this time I will select fill formatting only. Okay. So what happens? Let me see. So what happened? Only the formatting part got filled up, not the data, because I selected the option fill formatting only. So in the initial cell I had given the background color as red. Okay, text I had given the all borders also. So only the background color of the cell along with the borders got applied to the next corresponding cells. Okay, where I've used the autofill and not the data. Why? Because I had chosen the option fill formatting only. Okay, there are a lot of options, fill days, fill weekdays, etc., that you can use and see. Anyway, next coming to, I've selected this two cell, then I will drag it down 2 3 cells. Okay, and here I will select the option copy cells. Okay, copy cells. So let's see what happens. See what happened. Initially, when I dragged it, it came January, February, March, April, May, whatever. But since I chose the option copy cells, so only the cell where Jan and Feb, those cells got copied. So in the corresponding cells, only Jan and Feb are getting displayed. Okay, not the next months after February, because I have selected the option copy cells. I am copying the initial two cells to the other corresponding cells. So whatever data was written in the initial two cells at Jan and February got filled up in the next corresponding cells rather than the months after February, rather the names of the months after February. Okay, so this is will happen when you will choose the copy cell option from here. So these were the various autofill options that are available in the Excel. I hope this was clear to you, the different autofill options that are available in Excel, and hope that this video was beneficial to one and all. Thank you for watching, and if you have liked my video, please give a like, and for more such videos, please subscribe my channel.